Yo, my girlfriend mad at me. She got two options. We going shopping. She getting her pussy ate. I don't got the fucking time, energy, or patience to argue. Half the time, I don't even know what the fuck we arguing about. We arguing for no reason. It's just one or two ways we gonna end this. Either you gonna clear your mind, blowing some money, or you gonna clear your mind, busting a nut. A dude take pride in being a side nigga. Just cause you and your boyfriend break up, that nigga still getting the pussy. You and your boyfriend doing good, that nigga still getting the pussy. You and your nigga sad, that nigga still getting the pussy. It's Christmas, that nigga still getting the pussy. Thanksgiving, that nigga still getting the pussy. Why? Because you don't want that nigga to snitch. And when is the nigga gonna snitch? When you stop giving him the pussy. So he's talking, you gotta have a car, you gotta have a job, and your own place to fuck with me. Bitch, what? I'm a regular dude. This shit ain't just gonna pop up out of nowhere. What if your nigga still in college? That nigga go to community college and that nigga still live at home with his mom, but he the best dude ever. He's gonna look over that nigga because another nigga got a car, and a job, and somewhere else to live. That nigga probably can't even pay his bills. That nigga out here buying J's, and that nigga refrigerator look like the Sahara Desert. Yo, females fall for emojis. You get a kissy face, some hard eyes, or that little flirty face, nigga. You think you fucking in love. You think this nigga wanna marry you and shit. Nah, the dude just texting you. That's just what happens with text messages in 2014. You could actually show what kind of faces you want to make through some little characters. But y'all take that shit way too serious. I mean, niggas love emojis too. We get some kissy faces and shit. We start acting different, you know. Nigga, head gets souped all up. We start dancing and shit, text messaging, you know. But I don't think guys take it as serious as females. But back on some ignorant shit, and this shit just for jokes. Big bitches in spandex, yo. Y'all go into a gym trying to lose weight, but y'all bitches look like an exercise ball. I love big bitches. Everybody love big bitches. Nigga, it's winter, you cold, nigga, call up a big bitch. I would cuddle up with you. Nigga, big bitches warm as fuck, nigga. Big bitches should be sponsored by North Face or something. Females say all niggas is the same. If your boyfriend do a majority of this shit right, that nigga got a few hiccups here and there. That nigga show you that he love you. Nigga, stay with him. The arguments, that's part of a fucking relationship. What the fuck is a relationship without some goddamn arguments? Nigga, that shit show that he care, to show that you care. If your boyfriend do something, he don't argue, that nigga don't care. Then you can leave him. But if you do something, that nigga say something, that nigga correct you, that nigga obviously fucking care. I mean, as long as he not fucking no other chick, then that nigga is probably a good fucking boyfriend. Fucking love arguments, nigga. I don't know why, I just love arguments. Especially with a crazy chick. Crazy chick start fucking punching you and shit, and then you throw her ass on the fucking bed, nigga. You fucking, that's the best makeup sex in the fucking world. So they say chicks is thoughts, but she a thought, but you fucked her, right? So nigga, she ain't a thought, she a business, and you just an investor in her business, nigga. You a fucking partner in her business. You are a part of her business. This bitch is lucrative, and nigga, you just investing all your money into it. Cause niggas show hoes more fucking love and attention than they do their girlfriend. I don't fucking get that shit. Nigga, if you have a girlfriend, you might got a few girl friends here and there, but nigga, you're not supposed to have 52,000 chicks texting your phone while you with your girl. I sure you don't get why I do with shit. Like, you fucking taking time out your day, make this girl fall in love with you, then you out here fucking some other chick. If you really don't like her, then why don't you go be with one of the chicks you fucking, since they giving you what she not. Post a twerk video, a thirst trap, a naked picture, something, doing with anything sexual, and a nigga comment under your picture, or whatever the fuck it is, that nigga is not thirsty, bitch. You wanted that fucking attention. Don't get mad when a nigga inbox you. It's like, yo, you look good, you this, you that. Bitch, you fucking wanted the attention. Don't do that shit if you don't fucking want the motherfucking attention. You can't get mad at us because you fucking half naked and shit. What? We niggas want a female. You obviously wanted a dude since you think you being half naked is gonna get you a dude. So, in a way, we both fucking wrong. Why do niggas argue on social networks? Like, yo, if you don't like that person, delete the fucking person so there ain't no fucking further arguments. Tired of my newsfeed and shit being filled up with y'all cussing each other out. Nigga, Go read a fucking magazine or something. Nigga, go play 2K, blow some steam. Nigga, watch some porn. Nigga, go cook something. Brush your fucking teeth. But yo, if your chick tweet me or she retweet me, I'm a belly flop in that bitch DMs. You can't get mad at me, nigga. Especially if I don't know she in a relationship. Nigga, it is what it is. Tired of making this fucking video. Peace, bitch. Rich way. Wait, hold up.